Hey everyone, Lisa here. I'm with Denver Pilates Girl. Today we're talking about feet in the straps, and I happen to be on a Peak Pilates Legacy Reformer, and I have it set up to 2 springs on the outside, which is 1 yellow, 1 blue. Now I don't have the measurements or the spring settings for the Balance Body or any other apparatus other than the Peak. If you have a home reformer, it would be 2 outside cords because most home reformers have the cords on them. So let's get going. So we're going to lay all the way down. Your headrest is up. Grab your straps. Now, a lot of times teachers will require you to lift up your hips and put your feet in the straps. And that's how you can progress up to the next level from your intro class. So what I mean, hold the straps. Bring your feet up. While the carriage is closed, put them on your feet. Open the carriage, bring your heels to your butt. Now your knees are facing toward your armpits. Your tailbone is down and your pelvis is not tucked. So here it's tucked and you'll see that I have space here. If I put that tailbone down, now I'm ready to go. Your feet are in your Pilates stance, meaning heels together, toes apart. Press out on one and bring it back in. Inhale it out, come back in, heels to butt. So what you're trying to do is push from your tush right where the smile line is on your buns. And now this last one, let's hold it out there. Now my feet are externally rotated. If they weren't, they'd be like this, but now I have my heels together. In your Pilates stance, you have that strong wrap of the legs. Circles, up, open, down, squeeze the heels, and up. So this is how I teach my beginners in classes to find that connection from your heel to your seat. Now I'm a classically trained instructor, so we go in order as Joseph Pilates designed it. Let's reverse. Press down, open, up, and close. Now you'll notice when I go up, I'm not letting my buns go up and putting pressure on my head. I'm keeping my tailbone down and pressing where my hamstring meets my butt. One more. And release. So to take these off, the classical way, we just hold on, we come up a little, and we drop them off over our head, and we swing back up. So that's just a nice introduction to feet in the straps for frog and leg circles. Now this comes right after your footwork series in your intermediate order. So it goes footwork, toes, arches, heels, tendon stretch, and then we go over to the frog and leg circles. That kind of helps prep your hips for when we go to do the short box. Contemporary usually doesn't follow any kind of order. So if you're at a Club Pilates or anywhere else that is a class-based business, you may get to do feet in the straps and they may add your circles or not. Hey, if you have any questions, leave me that comment down below. I'd love to answer them for you. I love working with beginners, and I also offer online personal training and Pilates instruction. So if you happen to be at home and you have a reformer, hey, I'm your gal. Let's work together and get your pain down in the new year. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I'll talk to you next time. Have a great day. Bye.